Yarrney.
Hi guys, thank you for joining another Yarrney tutorial. Today we will teach you how to crochet a heart. In order to crochet the heart, you will need to know how to do a magic ring, how to chain, how to do double crochet, and how to do treble crochet. We do have very slow demonstration of how to do each of these stitches on our channel, so please make sure to watch these if you're unfamiliar with the stitches. Let's start. You will start by doing a magic ring. So I will quickly do my magic ring. Once you have your magic ring, you will want to chain 2. So chain 1, chain 2. Once you have your 2 chain, you want to do 3 treble crochets inside the magic ring. So yarn over twice, insert your hook inside the magic ring, yarn over, pull the yarn back through the magic ring. Now you will yarn over, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through the next 2 loops, this, and then yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. So we're doing 2 more of those treble crochets. One more. Now that you have your 3 treble crochet, you want to do 3 double crochet. So yarn over once, insert your hook inside the magic ring, pull the yarn back through the magic ring, yarn over, pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull the yarn through the last 2 loops. So we have our first double crochet, we need 2 more. One more. Now that we have done the 3 double crochet, we will chain 1. We will do 1 more treble crochet. Now we will chain 1 again, and then we want to do 3 double crochets. So I've done 1 double crochet, and we'll do 2 more. One more double crochet. Now we want to do 3 treble crochets. and 1 treble. I have 2 more to go. And 1 last treble. Now I have my 3 treble crochet. What I'm going to do is chain 2, 1, 2, and then you want to slip stitch in the ring. So you insert your hook in the ring, bring your yarn through the stitch, then you can chain 1, you can tighten your magic ring as you work through your project. And now you can essentially cut your yarn. You can essentially tighten the magic ring a little more so that it takes the shape of the heart. Play around with the yarn a little bit to put a nice shape, and essentially this is how you do a heart with crochet. And obviously you can work to weave the yarn inside the magic ring. What I usually do is just weave the yarn through the ring here. So once your yarn is weaved in your project, you have the crochet heart. If you've liked this quick tutorial on how to crochet a heart, please don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to be notified of any of our upcoming content. Thank you for watching!